Hey everyone, if your iPhone 16 isn't charging when you plug it in, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple troubleshooting steps to get your phone charging again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your cable and charger. First, let's make sure USB-C cable and charger are working properly. Try using a different USB-C cable to see if the issue is with the cable. If you have another USB-C power adapter, plug your phone into that instead. You can also try plugging into a different power outlet or even a laptop USB-C port to see if the issue is with the adapter. If your iPhone starts charging with a different cable or charger, then you know the problem was with your accessories. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. Sometimes, dust or lint can get stuck inside the charging port, preventing the cable from making a good connection. Take a flashlight and check inside the USB-C port on the bottom of your phone. If you see any dirt or debris, gently clean it out using a toothpick, soft brush, or compressed air. Avoid using anything metal, like a paperclip, since that can damage the port. After cleaning, try plugging in your charger again and see if it works. Solution 3. Force restart your iPhone. If your iPhone still won't charge, it could be a software glitch. Let's force restart it. 1. Quickly press and release the volume up button. 2. Quickly press and release the volume down button. 3. Press and hold the power button, side button, until you see the Apple logo. Once your phone turns back on, try plugging it in again. Solution 4. Check for software updates. Sometimes, an iOS bug can cause charging issues. To check for updates, go to Settings app and click on General. Now, you can see Software Update section. Click on it. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Once your phone updates, restart it and test the charger again. Solution 5. Try wireless charging. If you have a MagSafe or Qi wireless charger, try placing your iPhone on it. If your phone charges wirelessly, but not with a cable, the issue is likely with the USB-C port. Solution 6. Contact Apple support. If none of these steps work, your iPhone may have a hardware issue. You might need to visit an Apple store or an authorized repair center to have it checked out. If your phone is still under warranty, Apple may replace or repair it for free. Alright, so those are a few quick fixes to try if your iPhone 16 isn't charging. Hopefully, one of these worked for you. If this video helped, let me know in the comments.